Yes, we got a little bird report. It's pretty much fixed, I hope. Pretty straight. Everything seems pretty straight. I glued it this time instead of taping it, so it's super solid. Oh, I thought it's not glued. It's not glued yet on this side. I just glued that side because I'm stupid. Let's push it back together a little bit. Let's let it sit. And we'll just sit it on top of Falco here. And that should hold it nice and steady. And everything's straight, I hope. Straight at the fly, but it's nice if it flies straight. Oh, yeah.